Dealing with an ingrown toenail? The pain is real. But what if I told you there's a way to fix it quickly and easily? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll learn the best remedies to relieve that pain fast. Let's get started. Ever suffered from an ingrown toenail? If you have, you know the pain can be unbearable. The sharp edge of your nail digging into the soft, sensitive skin nearby. While it's more common with toenails, did you know fingernails can get ingrown too? How does this happen? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Ingrown toenails can occur for a few reasons: tight shoes, improper nail trimming, an injury, or even genetics if you have unusually curved toenails. Fun fact: people with diabetes or circulation issues are more prone to ingrown nails. Does any of this sound familiar? How can you tell if you have an ingrown toenail? The most common signs are throbbing pain, redness, and swelling. If left untreated, it can get worse, leading to infection. Scary, right? When the area around your nail becomes red, swollen, and even pus-filled, it's time to take action. But don't worry, there are effective home remedies to tackle ingrown toenails before they get worse. However, if you already see signs of infection, it's best to consult a doctor. Why risk making it worse? Let's dive into 6 simple remedies you can try at home right now. 1. Warm water soak. Looking for fast relief? Try soaking your foot in warm water. It helps ease the pain, reduce swelling, and soften the nail. Here's how to do it. Fill a basin with warm water. Soak your foot for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day for the best results. Already feeling the relief? 2. Cotton wedge under the nail. After soaking your foot, you can gently lift the nail with tweezers and place a small piece of cotton under it. This encourages the nail to grow above the skin instead of digging in. Here's the step-by-step. Soak your feet and dry them thoroughly. Carefully lift the nail with a clean, blunt pair of tweezers. Place a tiny rolled-up cotton ball between the nail and skin. Change the cotton after each soak to avoid infection. A little pain at first, but trust me, it's worth it. You'll feel the relief soon. 3. Epsom salt soak. Have you ever tried Epsom salt? It's like a miracle for ingrown toenails. Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, softens the skin and reduces swelling, making it easier to free the nail. Try this. Fill a foot basin with warm water and add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. Soak your feet for 20 minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. It's soothing, isn't it? 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar does wonders for ingrown toenails. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. The slight acidity also helps prevent infection. Want to know how to use it? Here are 2 methods. Mix equal parts raw apple cider vinegar and warm water in a basin. Soak your toe for 20 to 30 minutes. Or, soak a cotton ball in raw apple cider vinegar, place it on your toe, and secure it with a bandage for a few hours. Simple, right? Use either method until you feel the pain ease. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Did you know hydrogen peroxide can prevent infections? It's a powerful disinfectant that also reduces pain and swelling. To use it, mix half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in a basin of warm water. Soak your foot for 20 minutes. Do this 1 to 2 times a day. Feel the tingling? That's how you know it's working. 6. Proper nail trimming. Want to prevent ingrown toenails? Start by trimming your nails correctly. Here's how. Cut nails straight across. Don't curve them to match the shape of your toe. Begin trimming at the edges, not the middle. File down sharp edges and avoid cutting nails too short. Bonus tip: wear shoes that fit properly. Tight shoes can push your nails into your skin, making ingrown nails more likely. Have you been guilty of wearing tight shoes? If your shoes are too snug, especially around the toes, it's time to switch things up. Opt for shoes with soft fabrics and plenty of room. And ladies, try to limit high heels. Could this be your secret to preventing future ingrown toenails? There you have it, 6 easy remedies to help fix and prevent ingrown toenails. Which one will you try first? Like the video? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and home remedies. See you next time.